come from outside? Can you see that door? Oh. Welcome everybody, Coach Roach here. Yeah, you know, I had to come in here, do a quick intro, do a little backstory for y'all. So, I'm from Jamaica, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Start over. Now, do I talk to them Jamaican? Or keep going back and forth?
You can go back and forth, get them a little. I know, right?
I'm like, yeah, welcome everybody. Coach Roach here, you know, from Cheat Code. Roach Gang.
Man of Phoenix, what time is it? It's about to be trading time, so I gotta head back. I'm just gonna float back.
Shit, this one's a little far today. Everywhere, we're here, worldwide invested.
Welcome to Zanzibar! Zanzibar, Hakuna Matata! Worldwide investment!
Everywhere, the bookstore, gallery. I'm gonna show you this place soon, all right? So I just had to come in here, give you a backstory. So I'm from Westmoreland, Jamaica. Big up the thing, right? I moved from Westmoreland to Long Island, Jamaica with my dad. Maybe like 10 years, 15 years now, right? From there, you know, seeing everybody live easy, simple, chill life. But you know, you don't know what's going on because everybody's still working, right? From there, I was playing soccer. After I was playing soccer, I wasn't really feeling up north anymore, soccer in like Canada. Come back down here with my cousins, basically start doing pest control. So like, I've only been playing soccer my whole life. Like no real, you know, no real work, no real anything. Honestly, playing soccer, that's what's paying for most of my stuff. Getting me from place to place, that's what I'm really doing. You know, doing some trapping. That's what you gotta do. I don't know what else y'all was doing, but I wasn't going to work. So doing some trapping, doing some of that, right? So then ended up saying like, maybe you wanna change. So my aunt actually hit me up and my cousins, they were like, yo, we're in Georgia. Come down to Georgia, see what's going on down here, right? I'm like, all right, let's go. Boom, boom. My cousin also just bought a house and he was saying how rent was crazy in New York. So I was like, okay, let's go see, you know, do your own thing. Come down here, we start doing the pest control company that he's doing, running that. Go in this one guy's house one day, and he's like, yo, I'm trying to ask him like, yo, where should I spray? What should I do? He's like, yo, like, hold on 1 second, just go spray in the kitchen for now, basically, some shit like that. I'm like, brother, what? He's like, yeah, just spray everything possible, because he's not paying attention at all. So I'm like, all right, I'm just trying to leave. So I go back, spray, come back. I know this not even like 10 minutes. So it's like not even 10 minutes. I come back, talking to him like, yo, I don't know when I'm gonna come back, just let me know. Boom, boom. He's like, yo, I just made like 3K. And I remember that day, like it was yesterday. I'm like, all right, bro, what? 3K? I'm out here all day running around these houses, bro. Taking out spider webs, going under people's crawl space. I don't know, getting rats and stuff, checking out the holes underneath the house. But bro, you just did this in like the time I was at your house, 10 minutes. I had to really get Jamaican under brother. I said, yo, me nah left. Me nah left until you show me what that is. I'm like, no way. He's like, all right, yo, I got you, but not right now. And like looking back, I could tell at the time, like it's crazy because he's in the trade and I'm trying to talk to him. Like if anybody ever tried to talk to me in the trade, like they'll probably know, like you should probably disappear because like that would be crazy. But like he still helped me out, so I respect the dude for that. But he didn't message me for a while, long time, probably like 1-2 months. But I'm already researching myself. I'm like, money on the computer, 10 minutes, 3,000. I'm looking up everything I know what he's just doing. I'm like, I see the thing chart, but I'm still not really finding out nothing. Honestly, my little brother, I hit him up. I'm like, yo, you know about something like this? He's actually telling me that he does, but at the time, he doesn't really know too much about it either, but he was living with someone that did it. But like, I think it was options trade, like Forex trading something, right? And then like, so we don't know, we still looking it up. Then homeboy just hit me up out of the blue. Like, yo, I got you. I completely forgot like a stack of videos. And ever since that day, yo, that's how I really started trading. Like, he sent me a psychology video, which was a big, like, I think that's the biggest help for me. Y'all should really pay attention to that. If I didn't have my psyche, I definitely wouldn't be here, because trading is crazy, right? But he sent me the psyche video, the indifference to money video. He was sending me a whole bunch of those videos, and the Adam Koo video. And ever since I got that, I was like, boom. Like, it was that day I found out, started watching people online, they making 3,000. You know, you start feeling right. Cause I'm like, I'm about to do this. You don't know, but I'm like, I'm about to do this, yo. Go on there now, right? Start looking on YouTube, find a lot of people streaming live. This dude named Bye Bye Money. I start following him like every day. My boy is like showing you what he's doing. He's trading it live. Like, you could follow him. If you follow his old live, that's my dude. Shouts out to him for real. If you follow his whole live, like, he'll really teach you step by step. That's why I'm doing it now, right? And then one day he comes on, he's like, yo, there's this thing called prop firms. I'm getting one, they funding you. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. So now I can learn trading. I don't need my own money, just focus on the skill, which is all I've been doing for like the past now. This is like 5-6 months. I'm just focused on the skill, focus. Get the prop firm, started getting it going. Failed like twice, right? You gotta deal with that, but learned a lot of stuff during that time, like how I'm doing. Literally just in those 2 times was always about getting feedback, you know? It's not about just losing, it gotta be something that's happening, tweaking something, putting something here, switching it up, you know? After the 3rd time past it, got my 1,500, and that was it. It all started from there. To be honest, I quit my job.
Quit! I quit!
Literally the next day, I was like, yeah, no way. Because I still had the account, was getting paid. I'm about to get paid out again. I'm like, no way. I did this from still doing pest control, doing lift, in between or after pest control or before trading. Oh, online jobs, but I didn't want to do lift. Like, yo, in between all that, I was still trading. So I was like, all right, let me just put everything into trading, full 100. And then, bro, it's just, that's him. I created him.
I'm him.
This is him. I don't know what, like, you know, might be stopping a lot of y'all from trading, but I think you just gotta start. Try it. That's why I'm here. All the coaches are here, right, to help y'all so you don't make the same mistakes, stuff like that. Like, it really gotta make sense. I think when you're doing the trial and error as well. I thankfully just went online. I'm a dig for it guy. If you believe, right, you gotta see and believe. I just kept seeing people do it, so believe, and then I just took a shot, man. And ever since, just been here. Now I'm still funded up like 10 accounts. Just got paid out, still getting paid out, teaching people how to get paid out, teaching people trading my own cash account now. So if it wasn't for that path, definitely wouldn't be here. So I'm here to pass that on to y'all. It's gonna be hard, but we can all hold our heads together. It's all right. And last thing I will say is just keep going. That's all that's about. You just gotta keep going. You could be here Chico too, babe. Everywhere. Great rising. A consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God, in me, and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, So, today we're gonna look to run this opening play here. Don't usually trade the open, but I wanna try. See what's going on. And I'm gonna do it with the M and Q, not NQ. And I think I'll do it with like 5, just to check it out. Like I said, something we see. We're looking for some down targets. We got rubber right here. Alright, and we're open. See if we take out this. We're gonna take a sell. Stop needs to be here. Ooh, double trap. Just to get a feel what's going on. Alright, we got a double trap on the downside. Again, I'm just taking M and Qs here. Ooh, triple trap. Really looked like we were going down there. We're gonna break at this high. We're gonna catch these. So behind is still my tick chart, right? This is the M and Q chart. We're gonna take these highs out. Okay. We're gonna try this short one more time. One more time. Remember, only M and Q, and I'm only testing this out. If it breaks down here, I'll add 3 more. Kind of just practicing my adding that I'm still doing on NQ, huh? We come down again. Trying to drag it down, we're gonna bring it up. And this way I could kind of still get a feel for what the market might be doing. Because again, I'm looking for downside for today. So I want to see if they already start. Still looking at the top of the range on the NQ. This is M and Q. Okay, so it looks like we're going to switch it up. Maybe so now, after the open, maybe we wait for a break and retest off the top of this range. If they want to hold it, that's what I'll be looking for. Still looking down, but we want to see places that we can, you know, reverse or find out where our ideas might not be right. Oh, see you playing around. Should have broke out of. Let's go. Since we break through the top. Again, M and Q. Not doing this M and Q. So I want to make that clear. Still trying. See, I know this area is coming into play. This is also that open from last night, like 7:30. I have it as about like 301, 303. So we're bouncing, we came there, bouncing back down. Let's see if we break that 21. 21 is holding on NQ as well. And also I switched over, so my contracts are 324. All right, here we go. So now we just spent what, like about 20 bucks? And for me, now as long as for the day, we come back here and bounce, I'll be looking for the long off this area. Or if we come back down and reject off this area, I'm gonna look to come down and take the short. So just what I started doing, and I wanted to show y'all that. Because usually, you know, I wait for 9:45. But we got this little play here. All right. Let's mark the 15-minute bar, high and low. Got the arrow right here. This would be our high. Since I made a new chart, got to make all these drawings over again. So we're looking for the upside. Let's see. Make this one green.
So based off that initial move, you projecting more upside if it
Yeah, you see.
stay above?
Exactly. You see what I'm saying? I'm basically putting in a little tester before the day. Like, all right, I'm thinking the market's going down. We're going to go down. So I'll spend $20 to find out if I'm right early. But also, I kind of want to be involved these days, you know, around those moves. Because then I could really, you feel more of the trade when you're in it. So then I definitely really feel it when I enter the trade. So let's say the short still comes into play and then it comes back down here and breaks below. You know what I'm saying? Then I'd be like, shoot, all right, maybe these same people that got stopped off of the short stepping in again. but just give me a better feel for what's going on. And no, I don't do it all the time. I'm showing you guys all the new stuff I'm doing. The same way you see me attempt to add there, if the trade would have worked, the same way, you know, I would have went in on an NQ trade. Once my trade works for more than 10 points now, I'm adding another. Move my stop loss up. All right, look, we come back to that same spot. Now I know something just went on here, right? For a fact. Yeah, you could look at price action. All right, brother. What time y'all come off? All right. See if me and Lolo come meet you. All right, yeah. Yeah, bro, it's still all going, you know. For sure. All right. Okay. Same area coming back into play, right? It was M and Q, but I still think around the same levels. You know, when I look at the M and Q chart, same thing. We took that short here, right? They come back down. We getting some support off that. And let's see what happens. Is it going to be real support or trap support? And for me, this is the first entry since this high right here. Yeah, I got to draw over all these things. Since that's a high, it's the first time we try to go long. You can see off that area, super aggressive. Super aggressive. Now for the 15-minute, I wait for the 15-minute bar to get complete before I start, you know, doing anything. But what's going on though? You guys ready for the week? I'm hearing this week might be a little crazy. I'm not too sure. But I'm hearing we're supposed to get FOMC. I gotta check that out. I'm not sure if you guys usually, who in here trades the news? If you funded traded, make sure you stay away from the news. Well, make sure, put that out there. Don't do that. Hey, what's going on, Shantae? Just make sure, like, yo, they'll invalidate your account so fast if you trade the news. In a second, yo. In a second. Like, even if it works, but then even worse, it cannot go in your favor. And then it'll just be freaking tanking, huh? You ever seen, you could get like $1,000 slippage. That would be crazy, bro. You know you work hard for that. You putting in time for all that, you guys. Remember that. Alright, got a little thing going on. I want to check out. So even if you're on the other contract, I know some people might be wondering how different it is. So this contract we're on in the back, that's the new one, right? NQ324. This is for March now. And right now, this is still NQ1223, so about the same thing, huh? Nothing too crazy.
What it do, Coach Roach?
Hey, what's going on, Coach Amy? How you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
You know, participating in the open.
I tried, yo. The first one was about to work, then it stopped me out and then went down a little bit. And then they still got me because I was still looking for that downside.
You know this is a manipulation cycle. So.
Yeah, I was still trying to play around there. And they still went back down there. They went right back to the entry. But yeah, you already know, just chilling and waiting now. I'm kind of looking more so for upside, but still gonna wait, see where we bounce.
What's the setup for today?
I would say more so upside, waiting for them to just fail for the second attempt off the 21. And I'm trying to find the pattern. We kind of,
Yeah, that's what I was saying. What's the pattern?
we kind of have, it's looking like double bottom. If you look right here, you low key come back, do the same thing like here. So that's what I'm trying to see. You see, 1, 2, then we bounce. We came up here. It's like they're doing like signature lows. Come back and test it. I would love if they came back and test this area for the second time. What is this, 301? I think that's about where my 7:30 p.m. open was anyways.
Watch out, little bitch. Watch out, little bitch.
But let's see.
Watch out, little bitch. Watch out, little bitch.
Yeah, I see the New York move originated at 8:30.
Yeah. Boom, boom.
Could have had to stop at the Asian low and been okay.
Yeah, that was a savage play. Even they give a terrible bar, but another bar at 8:42. Good bar. I figured we were gonna get a little sketchy because we were getting the contract switch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like some people are still deciding, do they switch or not?
It switches on the 15th, right?
You know, I'm not sure. They
On Friday.
okay, well, yeah, there you go. Yeah, my thing just popped up today saying to switch. I was like, okay, go ahead.
What happened? Where did it come from?
Ninja Trader. It just popped up and it was like, oh, do you want to roll over? I was like, sure. Might as well. I'm looking at the other one
I
too.
must not have seen that message.
Yeah. I'm looking at the other one. I got nothing. So hold on.
Here's a pullback.
Yeah, so we need something strong. A strong dose of the pullback. All right. I just couldn't wait till I'm on. While we wait around, let's see, we're gonna go back through and see if we find anything. Put on some of this La Russell. But we need some clarity up here though, for sure. One leg, came back, other leg. Uptrend, break near extreme, a little reversal.
Does somebody have a hot mic? Or is that you?
Oh, the music?
I thought it was Coach Roach.
Oh, the music? Yeah, nah, I'm just gonna run it. You already know what I'm waiting for. So,
I was like, who was that speaking over?
yeah, nah. I'll try to show you guys just the patience. It's very boring, you know? I already have a plan for the day. I need it to come down here, 21, or come down here. In the meantime, you just gotta sit back and let price do whatever it's gonna do. You know, this is not really new, crazy information. We're ranging. We got a break of this trend. Just one massive leg down, come back. You know, nothing going on. So I just start drawing and hold my vibe. Or as my dude says, hold my frequency. Kendall. So.
Yo, Terrence, are you trading yesterday?
Yeah, yo, I got both up.
Alright,
Let me know if you see anything. I'll look as well.
alright. Feel free.
I remove my hat, remove myself. All right, we're holding the 9 EMA. Nice little push out. I couldn't take it. I had to make it. Oh man. Now, stuff to help this type of trading. You guys hear all those songs that always come on? Those are always like my signals. I even got a signal for the 21. So again, really don't need to do too much, but just be patient, check out the bias, see what's going on. I'm about to put the alert on right now. So this should, once it works correctly, give me an alert when price comes back and hits my 21. That's where I like to trade. So I won't really be doing too much until then. You know, you could, I don't know, you could try to build some excitement and like look around or something, but there's really nothing more to do. So let's see. I'm gonna put this on right. So once it crosses below my 21 or touches it, it should alert. And then you can add a sound. I literally have that Drake song that says 21. All these things, you know, just visual roadmaps. As soon as I hear this, even if I'm not at my computer, all right, let me go check it out. I'm already drawing up the price, so I know where we should go. Very interesting. I just realized something. This one looks like the price is way higher than the other. Coach Amy, what is your price at right now?
Which contract? I'm looking at December.
What's the December price at?
151.
Yeah. This is weird. When I do the March contract, it's 16,362.
Yeah.
That's the right contract. Right?
Which contract?
The March.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm saying, how is it that price is 100-point different?
Yeah. Oh, it's 100 points different from the old chart? Oh, okay. Hold on, hold on.
I was just like, what the hell's going on?
Wait, for me?
You can see the.
Yeah, it's just 100 points difference.
All right, I got both of them up. Let's see which one what happens. This is nuts. We are getting the same type of price action though. Nothing really changed. That's why I'm checking them both. Gonna have to do some research on why that is. They just boosted that up.
Yeah, and if you notice on the new contract,
Yeah.
I think I saw when I was charting yesterday, the monthly high is above the quarterly high.
Yeah, they're,
But on the old contract, it's not like that.
I guess inflation.
On the old contract, the quarterly high is the highest high.
I guess we have candle inflation. All types of inflation going on.
We're doing something.
This is crazy. Yeah, I just reloaded my data like twice because I was wondering what the hell's going on, but nah, that's right. Okay. Come on, break back down. Let's see, what do we have? Double, 1, 2.
Not guaranteed, but we might pull back to retrace the hour candle, the new one that's about to start.
Yeah, that would be great. Because I'm not sure what we've been doing. Slow grind, 2 legs up, break new extreme. We should get reversal. Not able to break the 9 EMA at all. So that's why I really have the 9 there. Use the 21, but the 9 is always there for filter. Kind of check when we might have a strong trend or like a strong move that might not come back. I'm waiting to see them break this 9. Come on. See what the 10K is doing. 10K, 2 bullish bars. ES looks terrible. Look at this. Not sure what's that. Again, stuff like this you could draw, but you should be able to visually see these things. You know? Like you don't want nothing to do in here right now. Unless you get some type of breakout from the top or you buying from this bottom, you don't want anything to do with this. Again, all in my opinion. Whatever I say is from my opinion or experience. So you can buy in here or sell, it can work, but this is crazy. You really want to play these edges, not the middle. The middle is insane.
So on the new contract chart, I feel like I should mention that we just ran into a bank level.
Okay.
375.
375. Yeah, we just got freaking rejected. A little. Let's see if we get a strong rejection. We got a big push into it. All right, 600 ticks left, and we're pushing down off of it. See if they retrace it back up. Yeah, I have a level here too. 379, 375, yep. I'm not sure where this is from. Oh, this must be a monthly level. It's green. Come on. So, just for, research purposes. Here we go. All right, we're about to get some news. But just for research purposes, this is the type of bar color change we love, right? This bar right here was a nice green bar pushed up. Just got absolutely wrecked. Come on down. Let's go. I guess they want us to draw this. Is this really a thing though? See, they try to support off the top. Went down, right back up. Something's here. Let's make this one purple. So this is all I'm doing the whole rest of the time, right? This is why sometimes nowadays I just leave the chart. Nothing's really going on for me here. I could try, if you're really confident in these ranges, the fail breakout. After these strong pushes up though, and not right at the edge. For me, I'm good. But here we go. Let's see if the sound indicator works. When we hit this 21, we should hear 21 Savage and Drake. DJ trading. And I'm just telling you guys everything I'm doing, right? Right now I'm just writing down like what's going on so far today. Check in on how I'm feeling real quick. For example, I know there's been no entry for me. There's about to be news in like, what time is it? 3 minutes. So just remind myself maybe to be patient. These are the times I don't want to get bored, so, you know, I'll start rereading all the rules that I have on like this little piece of paper. And no, I like to make it all a joke, right? So I like that when that comes off. It's time for me to check it out. One sec. Hey, good man, how you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Oh, Terrence, okay. So you're here to check out the trees, right?
Yeah, what tree was it they were speaking about?
You know, I'm not sure, man. They showed me that one in the back.
Gotcha, okay.
And then I don't know, you were saying something else, but I don't know.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna roam around the side of it and just
Yeah,
check out the
yeah,
trees.
just check out all of them
Thank
and
you,
let me
brother.
know, all right?
Thank you.
No problem.
I'll probably won't be about 5 or 10 minutes and I'll be out of your hair.
Take your time, no problem. All right, let's go. It's raining like crazy in Atlanta. I have a tree in my backyard that's going crazy. The neighbor is supposed to take it down. I hope they take it down. Yeah, yo, I'm in Atlanta right now. Yeah, you in Atlanta? Okay, okay, brother. Yo, you gotta let me know when you come, like downtown Atlanta.
Me too.
Okay.
Oh yeah? Yeah, in the city? Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm like near the airport.
Okay, okay. Yo, whenever you guys have some time, we gotta do a link up trading.
Get college ball?
I don't know.
Coach Amy?
Oh, baby, you out here too?
No, I used to live in Atlanta though.
Oh, okay.
Yo, you gotta pull up next to the this place called the Bookstore Gallery. And we gotta trade in there live. What's up, man?
Bookstore gallery. All right, I'll look it up.
Hey,
Yeah, we could do that. When y'all trying to do that?
we could do it on Wednesday. I usually go there on Wednesday already, but I'm saying if you guys want to pull up, let's do it.
I would love that.
That'd be dope, but I gotta work Wednesday.
Okay.
I'm gonna be working a lot the next couple of weeks. I'm off on Mondays.
Yo, bro, don't say a
Alright,
word.
we got a new hourly candle. Hate to take y'all off.
Nah, you good.
No, no, no. This is good.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it. I'm glad you said that.
Yeah.
Amy, I gotta get with you too for what we had chopped it up about.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Weekends and Mondays are gonna be best for me. But I gotta not this weekend. I gotta fly to Florida.
Okay, okay.
Just hit me in the Slack and let me know what your
Alright,
availability
say less.
is.
All right, we're about to go right back up on this hour bar. For real. A little tick down. Come back up. We clearing through the top. They really look like on the 1223 contracts, I was looking for a target of 206, 203. We only got like 40 more points and we right there. Think we might hit that.
What y'all traded?
NQ and ES. Right now,
Okay.
right now I don't see much on the ES. We just keep,
I'm on NQ right now.
yeah. ES keep dancing on the 21 EMA. Above, below, boom, boom. Trying to measure these retracements because this is crazy. We've just gotten 2 of these big retracements out of nowhere. Boom, boom. So let's measure from the top to the bottom. That's 44 points. Let's measure this one. That's about 54 points, but the bottom of this, move it up a little bit more. That's almost 44 points again, actually. And let's measure this one. So you know, if you're not doing nothing, these are the type of things you know you might want to do. This is 36 points. If we actually bring it to the bottom, that's almost 39, 40 points. So retracements right now seem to be about 44 points. Stuff like that's good information, you know, for yourself and just to be in tune. You see a retracement of 40 to 45, 50 points and it starts coming back up. Now we know maybe we, especially if we see a setup, we're definitely looking to enter, right? Gonna try to see if we find some type of trend line. Gotta be something around here.
You know me, I'm looking for candle retracements.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're trying to retrace the 15-minute to 144.50. But I don't know. They might take us lower to the hourly retracement. I'm not sure.
I wouldn't mind that. You said 120,
There's a-
124.50, right?
There's a big fair value gap right there as well. Where
Okay.
the hourly retracement is.
Okay.
To 93.75, right?
Let me see.
94, somewhere around there. What is the height of this candle? 94.
Yeah. 94 to 125.
Let's go. When we doing it like this, it's like we in a spaceship running the levels. 12 knots, 91.7. Let's go. Coach, you use a 21 EMA or SMA? EMA, 21 EMA. Again, not too sure what the SMA is. Not too sure how different it is, but just as a filter, right? I like when it bounces into it. Give me that bar color change. I'm looking for the setup, the second attempt, or the second attempt that failed. I'm in. It's as simple as that. Yeah, like more time I'm looking at the strategy now. It's really, once you know price action and you learn the price action, you put in the time to learn that. I'm literally just sitting and waiting for the 21 EMA. I'm really not doing anything else. That's just my area. Unless I see a good like triple test area, and let me give an example of that. Okay, like something like this, but either way, you see the 21 there. But let's say the 21 EMA is not right here. Let me do a little color so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, where this green box is, right? Let's see 21's not here at all. But I see a nice like 3 attempt on that level and it give me a good signal bar, I would enter, you know? Otherwise, you know, where this doesn't happen too often. Otherwise, I'm really just sitting and waiting for the reaction off the 21. For example, right now, I got one attempt down. This is the low. I got one attempt down, one attempt up since the high. What would be interesting here, we get another attempt down that holds, especially if it holds in this trend line, or regardless, if it holds off the top of here, maybe something I would try long. Unless they go and they fail below right here, the 21, then I'd go short. But you see how it's always if this, then that, right? Like, if it comes here and holds, I should be looking to take the long. If it comes here and breaks below and then tries again, then I should be looking to go short. You know? Just stuff like that. Just
Staying on the right side of the 21.
yeah, I'm always patient with it. I'm always patient with it. Like even this, okay, this you're gonna say good setup, worked. For me, didn't touch 21. That's how particular I am about my trading.
So you, as soon as it touches the 21, you taking it.
Not as soon as I want to see it hit the 21 and then give me the reaction I want. Okay, boom.
Yeah, and you're waiting for like a signal bar too.
Yeah.
That's what you do with the signal bar and kind of touching and bouncing the 21 and the overall
Right.
structure of like higher lows, I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're using a 2000 tick time frame, right?
Yeah. 2000 tick time frame exactly. Waiting for the 21, and the signal bar. I could upload another picture of the signal bars, but I literally have in front of me right here like a picture of my signal bars that I want on my wall. So once it pops up, literally only thing I'll have to do, if I don't even know what's going on, look up, is it one of those bars? Yes? Okay, enter the trade. No? Okay, do nothing. It's as simple as that. Just following your process, right? Maybe it sounds simpler, but once you start putting in the time, that's all you're doing. Along the way to learning what the count is just counting entries. As we can look at the price right here, and we could be like, oh, hey, this is an uptrend, right? You can see, like, now you can be like, oh yeah, we're going up. I see the same thing in a smaller way in each bar, basically. Each bar for me is a trend, right? As much as I see it psychologically, and each bar is just a group of decisions, it's also a trend. That group of decision is making, a move happen. And I like when basically we get a trend down, then we get one trend up that doesn't break the high. This one broke the high, right? So when it doesn't break the high and then we get another trend down and it bounces off the 21, I'm looking for that second trend up, that second direction up. And literally, it's based off, they say, human psychology, right? Like a normal human being that tries something twice, they're gonna give up. Try it once, okay, you might try again. You just fail right away, you're just gonna give up. And when they give up, we're trying to, enter. Or if we're not looking for people, to get trapped and give up, we're looking to get in on the second attempt. That's why we're always waiting for either a second attempt down to fail, or we're looking for the second attempt up to make, join the move. So someone said about the signal bar, that's why the signal bar is so crucial, so crucial.
I was taking an Al Brooks class and he talks about signal bars, strong signal bars, weak signal bars,
Yeah.
breakout signal bars,
Right.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's a lot of them.
Yeah. You just gotta pick, pick the ones you like. I like the, let's see, what is it called? What do we call this? Yeah, I think it's the Evening Star. I like it, the Evening Star.
Pretty clear,
Yeah, like, but even now, again, we gotta know where to take it. So that's why it's not just signal bar. Cause even right here we got an evening star, right? Nice. People getting in on the short. You can see, boom, they're trying to trap it up right here. You know, just because they know people are going to try the short with the signal bar. So we want to match the signal bar with the context. So the evening star is like the hammer reversed, right? So I just look at it as one bar, just the opposite way. But if you look for a hammer, it's the same thing. I just see it as people were selling, they got trapped, they're buying it up, and they're going to get squeezed to the upside. Right here, people were buying, they got trapped, and they're going to get squeezed to the downside. They even try to, like I said, try to trap the evening star, and then now running into complication, roadblocks. Still, we can barely break the 9, and when we do, it's just a strong rejection out of it. We just observing, we just sitting around, ain't really much else to do. Just wait for it.
Yeah, I'm getting bearish divergence after bearish divergence on this too.
Yeah.
Getting your line.
Yeah, they see, they trying. And as soon as we get
Which
this
one,
level.
a regular or a hidden, Steve?
Regular to the downside on like the 1 minute, the 2 minute.
Hmm.
And then my 5 minute is overbought trying to curl. But I don't know, it can consolidate and break out, but to the upside. But I'm looking to see what this 15-minute candle looking like. Cause everything above the 15-minute is pushing up, of course, you know, with that momentum to the upside.
Yeah.
But it's giving me this candle the way it's forming right now, this 15-minute candle is a weak candle. So with that weak candle and the 5 minute looking overbought, I'm looking for this to see if the next candle is going to be a red candle down on that 15-minute.
Yeah, they try to wash it down. On the 15-minute, I had another area at, what is it, 89? They might try to reach. So, yeah, we struggling.
The new week gap is at it's not at 93.50, but it's close to that. It's like in that area.
Okay.
I don't know if we're gonna pull back that far, but I mean that's the possibility.
Yeah. Just like Roach said, you know, if this, then that. I'm looking for to see this is if my EMAs cross over to the downside, I'm gonna be looking for
Yeah.
a downside play on these lower top frames.
But we might just retrace the hour candle, so
Got
just
to.
keep that in mind.
Yeah, that's what you was looking from. Exactly.
Yeah.
Thinking.
I was about to say who. Yeah, but yo, it's
This hourly candle gonna be a fair value gap candle.
yeah. It's always if this then that though.
Yeah.
Anybody tell you they know what's going on, just laugh.
Yeah. But we don't know nothing. We know it could do this or it could do that. See, it's consolidating, looking like it's trying to break to the upside.
Yeah.
That's why I'm gonna move until my EMA is crossed to the downside, confirming.
Yep. And again, that's why usually people who trade, I think my strategy, they use one EMA. I use two because I want to see that filter. And, you know, because we can't break the 9. We just can't do it. We keep getting support off the 9, actually.
Right. And I use the 6 to 17, so I'm with you.
Yeah. I'm still doing research on the 9 to take trades off of it. I don't really like it, to be honest. Look at these, it's not as strong for me as the 21, so I don't really like the 9. I just like the filter, you know?
You're right. It's definitely not as strong. But sometimes they ride the 9, like sometimes mine ride the 6.
Oh yeah, bro.
It's a play. It's a play that you might want to put less risk on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Ride the lower time frame.
Look at this one here from this week.
Yeah, see what I'm saying, right? They're riding the 9 heavy. Now you get back to the 21, there's a bigger, and
Yep.
It's giving you more information.
Mm-hmm.
There's
Right.
more people right there at a stronger level than the 21.
Boom. Yeah. We got support.
More bars of data.
Yeah. We got some support right here. They
All
just
right, we got a new
take it out.
15-minute candle.
Oh,
All right. Did we close red? Oh no.
nah.
Close green.
So there's that's a weak green candle. At the top of this pivots right here, you may have some little action on that retracement. And she said retrace the hourly bar.
Yeah. They've been really they've been doing this stuff. They've been doing these weak bars and then just bang. There's like a big bar after it.
Exactly, they have been. They've been doing the weak bars and then boom.
Just
Then
literally,
yeah.
literally taking out everybody.
Got
Yeah.
you.
Feel bad for the people doing shorts. Yep. I'm staying away from them.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, most of the bigger time frames are pushing up. So this is a retracement. If you're gonna play it, just be careful.
Mm-mm.
I know I ain't taking it until I'm underneath my EMA.
Yeah, what you say, yo?
I said I'm not taking it until I'm underneath my EMAs. I'm taking it to the downside.
Yeah, brother.
I'll wait patiently. I see it trying to getting weak on these lower time frames. I'm taking it. I ain't even touching it to the downside until.
Man, we got time. It is only remind yourselves, just like Coach is saying, remind yourself, it's 10:16. You don't need to rush into nothing.
Yeah.
If they're gonna reverse, they're gonna reverse. He knows what he's waiting for. You guys know what you're waiting for. Hold on. You guys can hear me?
Oh yeah.
Okay. No, I'm just making sure. It just told me I just got signed out or something. But we good.
I'm sitting here like I forgot I got trading floor today too at 2 o'clock. I forgot.
Say less. Yo, I'm gonna tap in.
Yeah, man. Oh man. I'm gonna see. Let me see what I gotta do because I got so much to do. If I gotta go to the store, let me figure out what time.
Man look like he about to run a boat on the day, you know. He's about to go. Yeah, man. Me did the rollover. Might as well.
Here we go.
Yes. Push.
All right, so we just retraced the 15-minute candle. We'll see if they're gonna take us lower.
Come on, man. Saggle up on yourself.
Price action below my EMA. Let's see if we stay there. See a cross. Give me a cross.
Yeah, man. If you're going there, tell me how it's looking because I'm waiting for the drop below too, right here.
Ooh-wee. This thing on a 1 minute just put a fair value gap in 1 minute. To the downside. Yeah, I seen this coming.
Yeah, coming. Coming back down. Coming. Let's see, maybe the 354.
Now just give me a green candle.
Still
I'm gonna
holding
play
this.
this down. I'm gonna play
First entry. Second entry.
5 minutes to what 15 what? Yeah. See if I can get a couple of quick ticks out of this.
And I'm trying to be vicious with the double trap to the upside.
Push up too hot, no?
Yeah, they say they trying to push right back up to the high.
Yeah, they not playing. They like, no, we not playing with this. I'm not taking those. So even I had to take my hand off the mouse.
Yeah.
I'm too excited.
Yeah, brother, wait for the bar close. Wait for the bar close. Or what are you waiting for?
You know what it is? I gotta wait for my 6 or 17 to cross completely before I take any green candles. I take the green candles on a like right now. See, it's touching my 17.
Yeah.
So I said that on a 1 minute. I could have took that candle as red now. I would have been up, but I need my 6 and 17 to close down.
Yo, so
This
just
could be just a pullback and then go crazy. So I've been caught in those before. So just chill.
yeah, bro. Right now I'm seeing this is another higher low on the 2K. The ES itself is holding at the top of the range. I don't want to take a long and I don't want to take a short. That's
You don't want to take a shot?
that's what's crazy. I don't want to take a long because it's so close to the top, and I don't want to take a short. That's okay, right?
I'll get shut out. I'll fucking get shut out.
Yeah, bro. They're about to whip out this high.
This candle's gonna be the final candle here.
ES is going for the high. NQ going for the high.
Yup. See, that's why you ain't take it down. Good job. Good job, Steve. Stay away.
Good work, Steve.
Yeah, good work. Good work. You cuss yourself when you mess up. You
Yeah.
Praise yourself when you.
Yo, I tell her all the time, I'm like, when I see a trade and I'm interested and I don't take it and it doesn't work, that's a win for me. I'm sorry.
That's it.
I count that as a win from on my day. I'll take that down on the win side. Cause I could have easily just succumbed to that and take that. Easy. Takes nothing to press the mouse. I think it takes everything not to press the mouse.
Man, I'm always moving my mouse. Always clicking something. I'm like, chill.
Yeah.
Patience.
Patience, bro. I think if everybody who watches me, anybody who watches me, the one thing I will help y'all with is patience. If you're gonna sit here and watch me, you're gonna see, you're like, no way. No way.
I tell you all the time, I admire your discipline.
Hey, listen, I need it. Anytime I feel it slipping, I'm like, oh, something's about to happen. Get back in the rhythm.
I preach it, and then I'll be like,
Yeah, bro. We're not gonna be on 100 every day. I try to be disciplined, but sometimes, like I said, I still catch myself just, maybe not today. Let's try stuff. And anytime I start trying stuff, oh God, dead. Pack up your bags. Everything done. When you start trying stuff, you be like, oh, I don't know.
And make it worse if you get lucky the one time, and then you go, okay, let's try it again.
Oh my days.
And you smack.
It's crazy how that works, right? Like, this thing is so crazy that it'll show you something that you know you're not supposed to take. And the second you take it, again, just from my experience, you're on a downward spiral. Because second you take it, you get stopped out, you're gonna be sick that you know you shouldn't have taken. It works. That's probably worse than the stop out. Because now you're gonna try everything that comes to your mind. You know. It's crazy.
6 and 17 is officially crossed on this 1 minute. I can play this down to the 50 only if I get a green candle.
Yeah, they bouncing on the 21. ES is up below the 21. NQ trying to cross below right now, so no. 15 minute getting strong. They need to break below they need to break below 55. First they really need to break below 59, then 55.
I also use the MACD. MACD is crossing on the 5 minute right now to the downside. I want to see how much time I got. Like 1 minute and 12 seconds on this candle. It's 5 minutes.
Don't do it, Jeff.
Right back up.
Don't do it, Jeff. It don't look good.
That don't look good. Especially with the 5 minute, 5 minute candle.
Yeah.
I gotta hold tight.
Yeah.
Let's see if the cross holds. Let's see. I got 54 seconds.
All right. And just for signal bar purposes, right? This is the type of action we're talking about. Push into the EMA, red bar, push back up. If it closed green, if this one would have closed green like that one, that would have been a crazy trap. That's why we wait for the bar to finish. This bar just looked kind of like this one, and they brought it right back down. Then it looked like, let's wait for it to finish. Look at that. This one is a solid one. We like when it closes at the top. This little body is more so close to here, a little less wick, and a little closer to the 21. Yeah, I'm gonna upload a picture of the signal bars I use for sure. You guys can see. And I got them in tiers, so just like anything else, right? Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. I'll try to make it a little more clearer. But like, if I got a tier 1 signal bar, all right, I might trade my full size, right? Or if I said I was gonna increase size, I'll do it on that one. Got a tier 2, you know, probably not increase size until after, you know, it goes in my way. Like then I'll add tier 1. I mean tier 3. If I enter, it's got to be a strong trend, and I'm probably just gonna enter with one contract. So again, just pay attention to how everything is laid out for me. All we're doing every day is making decisions here. So I want the least amount of responsibility for a decision, I guess you could say. Everything is so mechanical and up to the price action because it's up to the signal bar. Do I get to trade big trade today? It's also up to the price action. Is this clear price action? No, not really. We're going up, but we're grinding sideways. So am I going to trade like 4 contracts or 3 contracts or something today? No, no way, right? Just one contract. If we start seeing the trend go our way, then maybe we add when it goes our way. But these are the things just help me. I don't really have too much pressure on myself, but to enter. My one job is just to enter. Stop loss, fix the stop loss right wherever I wanted to, check out my target, sit back, you're done. And, you know, I got these ATMs, so I'm not really doing much, literally. My ATM kicks out my stop loss approximately where I'd want it to be. Then I adjust it like a little bit above the bar, or hey, it might just be in the perfect place, so I literally just leave it. If I want, I could set a target, you know, or I just leave it. Set that timer, let it run. Make trading as boring as possible. As boring as possible. I know sometimes I'll be bored. Then I make the play. You know, get up, take a walk. I'm like, all right. It's okay not doing anything for 2-3 hours just to then, I don't know, make whatever goal or hit whatever trade you want in a minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. The rest of your time, just see yourself here practicing discipline. That's it. And like, I know when I first started trading, going on this discipline journey then slowly but surely even now helped me to stay in my trade. Because guess what? I'm waiting for my trade for so long that when my trade comes now, I'm giving it every single possible hope. I'm giving it all the faith, all the belief. I don't care. As long as it don't hit my stop loss, I'm in there. Because I know I just waited for so long. So I'm going to back myself. This should really be a good entry. I'm not cutting it short. If you see stuff, you know, for clear reason to maybe move your stop to break even, sure you could do that. But for me now, it's just, man, get in. Either hit your target or you're going to get stopped out. And that means it still hits your target. Your stop is still a target. Either you think it's going to go there or you think it's going to go the other way, right? You definitely don't want it to go to the stop, but it's still right. It's still a target.
Good morning, my neighbors.
Yo. Go on, brother Jeff.
What up,
Come on.
JD?
How you doing?
Good, man.
Amy.
I'm a little perturbed, Jeff. I just missed my entry.
No, don't say they so.
No, well, they didn't. I hit the button. They didn't take. I'm like, it said order sent, and nothing happened.
Well, I got on the right foot of that compounding challenge. I took my I almost got 30%, but I got like 29.
Okay. With the $100 challenge?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, man. I heard you talking about that this weekend.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun. Step
Hell
by
yeah.
step. We gotta build discipline. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is gonna drop without me.
Yeah. But this is a 1 hour retracement though. I think they're trying to rebalance it a little bit.
That's what Amy
Yeah,
was
Coach
talking
Amy was saying the same thing, right?
Oh, okay, great.
And the 50-minute is definitely looking even starish. Got 2 seconds left on it. Give me a look of retracement, please. Oh, look at this thing. Why? Guys, did we call this or what?
Yeah, we just waited, right? Boom. Come down. Not clean, but they come down there.
What side are you aiming for? What level are you aiming for?
64. What was that? 64.
Yeah.
94. That 1 hour fair value gap is an hourly in the full.
Yeah, I got 50% of it is at 329.
Oh yeah, you on the new one too,
We
Roger?
gotta get that 62. We gotta hit that 62. 62 is 104 if you're on the old contract.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So
Old
you still
contract.
in
That's
Z.
right. I'm on
Okay.
the old contract. How's the volume, Jeff?
Let me go take a peek.
I'm gonna go look at it too. I'm gonna go look at it on the hourly and see what this volume is for NQH.
So we got new high, one entry long. Failed breakout is definitely interesting, but guess
Oh
what?
yeah, the volume is definitely on NQH.
We just fought so hard to get below the EMA. You think we would really just boom right back above? Don't know, but
Yeah, so I have 80,000 in volume on NQH and I got 50,000 on NQZ. So I think they already shifted
okay.
on the previous 1 hour.
Alright, cool. So I mean, both of them are still legit.
Yeah, they're still legit, but I want to say don't trade it on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm sorry, Wednesday or Thursday. I think that's when the volume will be completely slow on it.
Yeah, I just went to the NQH. I'm on NQH now. Just go back like my.
Let me see what MB level is on Z though.
I was supposed to be candle.
You said 104, Amy?
On Z, the level is 104. I don't know what it is on H. I didn't even check in.
No, I was looking. Yeah, I'm about the same area as you. Yeah, I got 105 for it. Yeah, that should be a good retracement. That's the
It's
618.
It's 318 on H.
Yeah, I got 318 on H. Yep.
I really feel like this is a failed breakout. Hmm? Everything is going against this, right? But I think this is what this is because everybody's selling. It stopped right at the top of this. What would be great though is if we get this bar get rejected and come down red. But I think this is gonna be a failed breakout. Just back to the top here. This little setup. If only we could just close strong. See what we were waiting for? We were waiting for that close strong. Now.
Yeah, you saw that, right?
Yeah.
It hit the bricks right there.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Nah, it's in the wrong place. Yeah.
Yeah. I was looking for the long too because of the failed break. Look at it.
Oh,
Boom.
look at that retracement. You
Boom.
son of a guns.
Mm-hmm.
They're retracing the 15-minute candle, y'all.
Savages.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
50-minute chart right here too. Damn. That's
It's
crazy.
gonna come back down.
You know what I'm saying?
As long as we don't get above them highs, we alright.
These 15-minute fair value gaps are still open. I got one from yesterday.
The 5-minute just went 3. This candle on the 5-minute just went 3.
Let's go.
So
Yeah, I think that's a tough candle right there too.
could be trying to push.
Yeah. Yeah, my enemies are trying to cross back to the upside. I'm gonna see though. Yeah.
But we're all practicing patience, right? Like Coach Roach said.
No.
76 trade. Pissed.
I hear it over there. Listen, I wanted to take this long right here, so I just didn't get, the quiet signal bar I want, so I was good.
Right.
For me to be confident in this, see, look at this signal bar is the one I want right here. That's what I want right here. They can give it to me right here. Why can't they give it to me here? That's just what I think.
Exactly.
That's just what I think. So I'm just waiting. After this big push down, I need to see the exact signal bar to get me in the trade. I would be sick if I took this trade long just to get wiped out when I know we just had this drop. Just getting volatile right here. Now we're definitely going for this high, right? That's what they're gonna say.
Oh, we're gonna see.
You can see they're fighting this bar though. 900 ticks left, and we really haven't gone anywhere. They're gonna try to close it green. Here we go. Nope, still holding it. 800
And this
ticks.
is our distribution cycle.
Okay.
So anything can happen. We could go up, we could go down.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Yeah, we're probably gonna. Looks like we're gonna go up on the 15-minute. That's a savage trap bar, on a big scale. This was crazy. Let's see. All right, so we had that big red bar. People started to sell. They started to push down, and look, just got dried up. Anywhere you see the wick, right? It's like a murder scene where you see wicks. Straight up, like you didn't think about that. This group of people just sold at the end of this bar. Their stop loss is gonna be 171. They're gonna go for that. They're gonna definitely try and go for that. Coach Amy tells me a lot about the internal and external liquidity. This is the closest play I would see. We would definitely do some damage to people, right? Look.
Yep. That failed breakout.
Yeah, and that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt a lot. If you would have shorted this big bar here, that's, you know, everybody gets trapped. Savagery. Absolute savagery. Can't make that up.
Looking for a red candle.
Now the 15 bar is a 3.
Yeah.
So we took out the low and the high.
Yeah.
That's what we call savage. Wow. Is this what we doing now? Now, interesting take, right? You can clearly see this is a range now, for sure, especially with this bounce. I got a triple bounce right here. 1, 2, 3, triple test. Do I necessarily want to take this short that we just bounced all the way here, and then as soon as we broke, we got another rejection? These are the questions you just want to start asking yourself. Another 40-point retracement. Like we said, these 40-point retracements are solid, and we've just been getting very big explosions off them. There's one right here, right? Little one, boom. This is a big one. This is about 40 points. All of these are about 40 points.
Is this a new pattern?
Right now, that's what I'm seeing.
I mean, it looks the same, like you just pointed out all of them.
Right? That's what. That's how I literally how I be finding them. I'm like, okay.
They all look the same.
They all look the same. Big explosion.
You gotta add another little thing back there to your background.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, damn. But as I tell you, they're different every day. They're different every day. Like now, for me, I even want to go back down here and see if that's really what's been going on. So I get this ruler again. Yeah, about 44 points, right? And that's literally about, all of these are between 50 to 39 points. All these retracements. This one is huge. But even this one is 55. It's the max. And all we're doing is researching data. 44. Alright, 39. Pretty sure this one was 55. This is how you keep yourself occupied. You're not jumping the trades. So you can see even this one, 39.50, this was 39. So yeah, we're definitely, something is here. None of these retracements are able to do anything. I will tell you though, there will be a time this pattern will flip. Now we're Or just dancing on the 21. Let's see, how big is this? 35. Again, just patience, gang, just patience. On the day. Yeah. On these days, yo, we can give more confidence in ourselves that we know when to trade. All these times we didn't trade, we almost pulled the trigger, right? Yo, I almost pulled the trigger. Coach Steve said he almost pulled the trigger a couple times.
Yeah, I tried to pull the trigger one time.
See?
Should have been a win. It just didn't work. But another time I almost pulled it, but I'm glad I didn't.
See what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
yeah, those are clear misses right there.
Mm-hmm.
You just gotta let them go. We see what else happens.
Okay, here we go.
I'm looking for another retracement. I'm like, come on then, do it. This is what we doing, do it. Let's see how.
Can't hold it.
Yeah, this is at 33. Come on, this is 35. See, now I'm already like, I'm just checking it out. I don't know if this whatever I just researched here is valid. But again, if I get this same play here, come on, man. I would be crazy not to take it. Again, not just gonna jump on it when it hits here, right? I want that signal bar.
Did Steve take it to the downside this time?
I don't know.
Not yet. I'm on my 1 minute waiting for a green bar.
Savage. Yo, so hold on. You wait for the green bar and then take short, huh?
Yep, man. Yes, I used to wait until the red bar take out the green bar.
Yeah.
Oliver Velez joint, but I realized I get a whole lot more money when I take the green bar in a downtrend because there's not too many of them and they always get wiped out.
Yeah. See, so literally what Coach Steve is doing is what I'm doing and looking for in the 2K. He's looking for the same price movement in 2 bars that I'm kind of looking for in 1 bar. Understand what I'm saying by that? Like, okay, he's looking for in the downtrend, he's gonna, right, Steve? So you're looking for like a green bar like this to get taken out, right?
Yeah.
Right? So what I look for is even like right now, I look for the opposite. So the red bar came down, right? And now we're turning it green. It's the same type of motion. They just do this in 2 bars where I'm looking for it in 1. Same type of motion. We got another little trap bar.
Coach Roach, so when you say we're looking at this green bar, just hypothetically.
Yeah.
In our
If let's say I was trying to go long,
mm-hmm.
because like let's say you're saying I would like this bar, right? I would wait for it to close, right? So this one, cause yeah, you gotta wait for the close, and
Steve, do you wait for close? I'm just comparing your 2 strategies. Okay, gotcha.
yeah.
Yeah, so this one I'm waiting for closure. Well, I was taking the red take out green, then as soon as it breaks the green bar, I would take it down. Now this thing is pushing back up. I'm gonna get stopped out on this trade.
But after it closes, when it takes out the bar.
Exactly.
That's where I hesitate with.
No,
kind of like with scalping, I'm hesitating because it's like, oh, I don't want to lose the time because this is a scalp. So, so I hesitate.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
and then I have inconsistent wins and losses because of that, is what I noticed.
Yeah, I just got stopped out on that one.
Now, do you know, so you know your strategy from front, left, back, and center, right?
I'm working on a couple.
Okay.
Trying to figure out which one suits me. And of course, I can use different strategies for different situations, but following along with this that Steve had talked to us before, like I say, I hesitate on, or I didn't ask him the question to clarify close or take out, or if it's play the 3 minute a lot. So the 3 minute can be a long time, and I may drop down to a one, just to kind of look. But
Right.
so that those two things caused me to pause
Okay.
for that strategy.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
I'll give you again a few things I know that I've done,
Okay.
and sure Coach Steve could tell you some stuff. But if you're hesitating, right, size down a little bit, and then go through a practice where every time you see that setup that you think this is it, you have to execute. Not every other time. See what I'm saying? Just go through a period.
Steve says that too. He says you
Yeah.
have to take it every time. And
Every time.
Like I say, I hesitate.
Yeah.
I hear Steve's voice. You got to take this out every time because you never know which one it's. So like,
Yeah.
So that's a me problem and a mindset problem.
Yeah. So but help yourself. It's everybody had that problem in the beginning. I don't care who's saying that, especially if it stopped you out the time before, right? It's a little difficult to now. Oh, I see it. Like I don't even want to look at it really, but you got to take it. So just practice. Like I said, size down like really drastically, if it doesn't hurt you. Like 1 MNQ, or something like that. But get. I'm not sure what kind of trading you do. If you have a cash account, get a little cash account, or just get a prop firm account for this specific reason. Be like, every trade I see, I'm just getting used to taking it. And I think this will help you, start to focus in your own way on your process. Because that's really what helps me to take it every time. It's not really up to me, it's the setup.
I'm gonna try it out this week. I'm gonna work on it this week.
Yeah, don't look at the results. You know what I'm saying? Just follow your process.
That's true. I like that. I like that statement.
Yeah.
I like that statement.
It's all about it. These dudes are savage off the same area. They're not, good signal bar.
So now this green bar broke the box you had, the rectangle you made earlier.
Yep.
So we're above that rejection block. So.
Yep, we're all above. All above, and the only thing I could look for now is this setup right here. Come back and test this area. I would try to join on board. If not, once again, there's nothing really for me to do. Just all patience. I had an uptrend. They broke it. They took out the high. I'm definitely not looking to go long now, believe it or not. Everybody's looking to go long. I'm not. I'm waiting for, we got to get that pullback. I wouldn't just jump in. I need to be in from this bottom, or
Exactly.
oh well. Price is always moving.
If it creates a fair value gap on the 5 minute, we're definitely going to get a pullback, Coach Roach.
Well, there we go. That's what we're waiting for. In the spaceship, waiting for the pullback.
Big move from when I was looking. I almost pulled the trigger. I thought I was like, you know what? 5 minutes not ready. Let me just.
Yeah. I just
made the 5 minute turn up. That's crazy.
Yeah. I was waiting for the silver bullet. That's the ICT thing, like between 10 and 11.
Yeah.
If it makes a fair value gap on the 5 minute, then you hop in. And it's the same thing. It's like no matter what, you hop in, and you're going for two. You're going for 2R.
Let's see. Turn this chart on. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. What did you?
2,000 tick.
Okay.
2,000 tick.
Oh, so it's not like a 5 minute, because I'm kind of looking around because the font is small, and I was like, are we on a 15 minute, a 5, like what?
Oh, yeah.
It's a tick count chart. Okay.
Yeah, this is a tick chart.
Okay.
We just gonna wait for this area. So again, how we put it all together today, right? From the start. We had all these areas down here. We had a range. We knew that. Drew the range. We broke out. Retested the range. See this little break and retest? So again, I'm looking at all the stuff that happened before. The retracement levels and the patterns. We got a nice break and retest off the top. I would love if we get the same thing right here. Then I would attempt it easily. Again, Gotta do it. It's right here in the setup. Just do it. Get a good signal bar. That's the last thing we're gonna worry about, right? First, we're gonna think about the setup. Then we want to see it start playing out. We know what we want to see. We got the area we want to see it hit into. If it doesn't come down there, do it before. It's still not going to do anything. Waiting for this. If it comes down there and it gives a terrible signal bar like this, still not going to do anything. All right? Again, just over and over, same process. And just to talk a little bit more about the process, I feel like when you start to focus on the process and not the results, I'm sure you hear so many people tell you this, that's when you get the results. And that's when you start doing stuff that you might not even have known you could be doing or should be doing. Because I focus on the process so much. If I come on and today I'm like, okay, I'm gonna size up, that size is not really gonna matter to me because I have a process already, right? So whether I'm trading one contract, 300 contracts, 3,000, it won't matter if you know all I'm focusing on is chart, the goal, the target, the process. I'm gonna add on when it feels, quote unquote, like I need to be taking profit. I'm gonna add on. Reinforce the process of, no, it's okay, I'm in profit and I still have faith it's still gonna go my way. Just practicing that, right? Every time. Over and over again. Are you gonna add on and it turns back on you sometimes? Hell yeah. I'm not gonna tell you that doesn't happen. And I'm not gonna tell you that doesn't quote unquote suck, but get outside yourself, right? And focus on that process. Be like, you got this. And think about the long run. I don't know, I'm not doing this to only trade 3-4 contracts max. I want to get to 1,000 contracts. That's my goal.
Hey.
She said, hey.
I
Yeah.
just took a couple of six to the upside.
Let's go.
I could have held it a little bit longer, but I took my profit, kept it pushing.
Man, they was playing with you before. You got something. You good now.
Yeah, they play with me on the other side, but you know, it is what it is. I got them back. Got them all back. Now we at resistance. I'm like, I ain't playing with it.
Yeah, no.
Like you said, wait for that pullback.
I'm still waiting for this pullback. They faked some people out.
Don't forget, we got a new hourly candle starting in a few minutes. So.
Come on, drop it, and then bring it back up on the hourly candle. That's what would be sweet. They just pushing strong though.
That 15 minute did exactly what we so y'all was talking about that evening star. It says, yeah, this thing can still push up. It did that to us.
Dead. That's what I said, bro. That's a crime scene.
So if you look at the 50 minute, right, you see the one little red candle look like evening star. That red candle was the entry for the push up.
Yeah.
The close of that red candle, or you can wait for the next candle to go down a little bit, maybe touch the 6 and then take it up. But
Yeah.
that was because we're above the EMAs. But I ain't gonna lie, we overbought on the stochastic. So I was like, oh, this thing may be even star pushed down. But at least a good retracement to the 17.
This is crazy.
They didn't want to do that, you know. Price gonna do what it want to do.
Yeah. And you know, that's why these bars for me, like you see this 15-minute chart on here, these bars for me are like what I call tier 3, tier 4. Because unless I'm in a strong bias day for the downside, I know this bar usually easily gets trapped. It's like too easy in the sense of, think about the opposite side, right? People, when you see this bar, people gonna sell. It's that easy to think about that. Okay, this is a vicious place. I know what people should do. What am I gonna do? Try to trap them? And right now, if we look, that's all that's been happening. It's crazy. Little bars, like look at these little doji bars, big push. Little red bar, big push. So we know that was coming.
That's and you know, when I explain it, I'll be like in the uptrend, right?
Yeah.
You gotta think about it as, like you said, the market psychology. Everybody is pushing. If you're trying to run against a crowd of some vicious people, what you gonna get? How's it gonna happen? You're gonna get trampled over. You're gonna get taken out with the crowd, right?
Yep.
So if you are above the EMAs just help you show you where is everybody, which direction everybody's trading, and that's the size. That's where the bulls and all the not the bulls, but the crowd is going.
Yep.
So any little red candle going opposite,
Wet them.
yeah. So that's why taking the red candle there, because as soon as the red candle close, you may get a little bit push more down, but then the crowd is going to take you and sweep you away.
Yep.
Because when you go back and back test, when you see these trends, if it's to the downside, you got beer red candles, any little green candle, smash. Maybe you get two, but then you get smashed.
Smash. Boom. Yeah.
You take green candle, then you say green candle, you know you want to get smashed. Take the green candle.
Take it. Boom. Yeah. You love that, no, bro. I tell you. The chart makes it. The chart makes it like so nice. You know. It makes it so nice and so easy that I think people forget what's really going on here, yo. Some people really do forget sometimes. I'm like, oh no, I'm not. They're not gonna get me today. That's what I'm saying sometimes. Oh no, not today. I'm gonna wait and wait for I see somebody that's really getting got. What does Marshawn Lynch say? I know I'm gonna get got, but I'm gonna get got more than I get got. So I know I'm gonna get roasted, but I'm gonna wait for more people, you know, to really look like they just got trapped and then just jump on it. Yeah, man, that's
Anybody going along right this second? We have resistance. You can keep pushing. They can keep pushing, but
yeah.
a lot of people get trapped right here.
That you can tell these two bars on the screen, they're already getting trapped.
Yeah. Like I wouldn't take a. I know we in a nice uptrend, but I'm not taking. I'm on a 1 minute, 2 minute. I'm not taking that bar up. Not until the break and retest.
All right, come on. Looking for a nice little like 40-point retracement. Gone with your bad self. Right at the 21, that's 29 points. So again, see, already making a plan for what if this happens. Am I surprised? No. Am I surprised even if this gets trapped? No, that's the motion for the day, right? Make a red bar, boom, like Coach Steve was saying. But then we gotta know when, maybe not. Just like we know when to take the trap, we know when to not.
Right.
It's good. That's our theme for the day. When to not. When to not jump in the trade.
When to not. I got Nike crossover to the downside on this 40 minute.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait till this play plays out and then I'm out of here. I usually do it till what, like 11? But we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait to see this retracement.
11 o'clock already. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, bro, time is flying. In fact, we didn't even go nowhere today.
Yeah.
Yo, what? Come on, baby. Come on now. Again, am I surprised by this? No.
Not at all.
People are like, oh, why is this happening? I'm like, come on, bro.
It was supposed to happen.
You're right.
I think it's still a strong candle on that 1 hour based on how they kind of left it. I would have loved it to stay above 16,400 or see what NKZ would have been.
Oh yeah. It's just the fact that it's a strong candle. I'm just looking at it from the 29th, November 29th, that 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock candle. Like this level right here before. So I'm just gonna say yeah. Let's see what happens.
So around that
Show me weakness at that level. I don't know if it's gonna do a whole complete turnaround because this was a nice push up.
You know what we waiting for? We want We want to see this.
Definitely react to that level.
We're not gonna jump on it, but we waited. Furthest I would like to see it go is this is 40 points, and that's a little dip inside. Otherwise, no. Give me that solid signal bar right here. Also, why I'm really interested in this, right? Let me show you guys for my setup. Let's see what we got actually. Because this is the low. So we got 1, 2. Oh no, this is only first entry short. So we would really be taking like a raw break and retest. I like it when it's also the second attempt short, but we only got 1. We came close, we didn't touch the 21. We need to see it touch. Come on, get a little wick down on the 15-minute bar. 15-minute really doesn't want to do it at all. We just start pushing back up. I thought we text that 67.
15-minute pull back to its retracement level, and then we'll see if it continues up from here or goes back down to the hourly retracements.
Yeah, I need a little bit more pullback. Just a little bit. Oh man. Again, do I want to take this signal bar? What does this signal bar say to me? Signal bar to me is like, I call it a handlebar. You want to take that ride? Go ahead. Ride that bike if you want to. Miguel. Ay, Miguel. For the show. Alright, we got a little break above. This would even be even better if we can really get a retracement after this. But 15-minute is just not. No chance. Looks
Yo,
like,
y'all took this?
nah.
We're back up.
You took it?
Yeah, close. I
Good
think
stuff.
this is going to be retraced, but I didn't take it because it's a 5-minute. The 5 minutes a little confused.
Yeah, I didn't take this.
I ain't taking either. I looked at it on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute rather, and I saw that red candle on 10:58, and I said, oh shoot, that was probably a nice entry because it hit my 17. But yeah, like Jeff, them everything kind of turned, kind of confused a little bit.
Yeah,
So,
you see how they're giving it back right now, right? That's what
I
I
got
was.
a 5-minute bearish divergence too. Regular.
Yo, Gavin, you have a red bar as your signal bar?
Yo, you said what?
You have what kind of bar do you have for your signal bar?
Oh, my signal bar is green.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, mine is red. What's yours, G?
Green gonna indicate, red gonna use.
Yeah, I just got like a handlebar bar. Red bar. Huh? Know what I'm saying? You see this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, but it's green. Yeah. And it looks like this. Oh yeah, no, that's dead. See, everybody got a little different signal bar, but it came to the same result. I don't whether this bar is green or red, that's not a solid signal bar. We want to see that top action. Just a little bit. Bam.
Happy FOMC week.
Yeah, like what's going on, bro?
Slowest-
Yo, when is
slowest
FO
action
when is FOMC?
on Wednesday.
Oh nah.
Yep.
No way.
Yes. That's right.
Damn.
And we got CPI and PPI.
Tomorrow?
I think we got CPI tomorrow and PPI on Friday or something like that.
Sheesh.
There'll be some action.
Yeah.
This is why I need.
But usually on FOMC week they chop us until, they chop us around until Wednesday.
Yeah. This is where I need to know how to do these option straddle plays. Cause sheesh.
A rate decision too.
Sheesh.
It'd be funny if he turns around. We're cutting rates. Bro, that market will look crazy.
He's gonna do it, bro. We need that Santa Claus rally.
You think so?
Yeah, and I'm ready to ride that sleigh right up.
I hear that.
He said ride the
I'm ready to do what they do. I got my long pants on with my shorts underneath. I'm just waiting, bro. Let's go.
You got that Santa Claus hat?
Yep. Oh, it's in the back. Got it with my Grinch slippers on too, just in case. Let's see what it do. All right, we got a nice bounce right here. This would be savage. This would be
Hopefully
it.
we're going for the hourly retracement.
Yeah. If we are, come on, we need a lower high.
I got the 62 at, where are we at? I got the 62, where the hell is it? 159.75.
Okay. I got a downtrend, break new extreme.
But we could also hit 153 because that's an old 15-minute retracement level that we didn't hit.
Oh my days. Delicious. Right now we're at about a 40 point retracement. Okay, this one's bigger, huh? Alright, same type of activity.
Let's try this again to the downside. Let me see. Oh, the 2 minute at the
I don't know, Steve. I don't know.
I don't like that.
I think these are just candle retracements.
No, Steve,
Yeah.
don't do it.
I was looking on the 6 and 17 cross on the 1 minute with us just turning over like this on the 5 with the bears divergence, but we hit the 50 EMA on the 2 minute. So I said, hold on, Ellie. Easy. I ain't jumping in just yet.
Yeah, hold your horses.
Hold on quick. Hold on cool now. Because that 50 EMA ain't no joke. No time frame.
Try your bricks, brother. Try the bricks.
Yeah, man, for trying to bricks quick.
Yeah. Steve said he move his mouth around all the time. What does that mean? He's just like this? Yeah, all right, let's go.
Like, oh, we got action. I looked up and said, oh, we got action.
Yo. 85. I don't know.
No, we just retraced the hour candle.
Can't lie. To the downside or upside?
To the downside.
Outside. That's a big. I'm looking at this green candle on the 1 minute. That's a big green candle. We still oversold. This thing may push back up.
I really want to try this. This is another retracement.
1 minute. That 2 minute, we can play it back down to the 50. Price action is below it. You're gonna make a decision. You gotta make it now. Okay.
Yeah, if we wick down, I'm still waiting for some action, right? I want to see us wick down to like halfway to 76, and then look like we're gonna push back up. Cause this right here.
To the downside already.
All right, here you go.
Yeah, 17 ticks.
15 minutes still going down.
Before it come up against me, lock in 5 ticks at least.
I'm about to put it there. We come back up.
Push.
I'm gonna put it at 85, I think. If we ever start
We
coming
could
back
get to 153.
That sounds great. I want NQH though. What's that on NQ? Give me a lot of ticks.
Oh, I don't know.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That stuff is crazy. I'm just looking. I'm hoping this thing don't come back no more. There we go.
No man, it not come back now. Couldn't it just passed halfway? If it come back, tell you what, I'm definitely in. But if it shouldn't come back.
Yeah, that green candle on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, bro, they're gonna take it out. They're gonna take it out, cause y'all, I'm telling you, if this ever this come back up, yeah, come on, we're gonna take out the low. Come on.
34 ticks. There you go.
There you go.
Wait, 50 ticks. Come on, y'all. The tick count is moving too slow. It's way more than 52 ticks. Come on.
He said, come on. Load up.
I see the candle moving, but my ticks ain't moving.
Yo, load up.
Way more than Steve.
Load up the mantic. Load up the mantics. Oh my God. Oh, the bomb.
That's what I'm gonna say too. They cheated me out of my
They be cheating, yo. They be cheating.
Yeah.
Don't play with me, man.
He said, I know it's way more than this. How about this?
Yeah,
That count for we're working my belly. Yeah, man.
Probably 364, like 360, 357. Boom, 66 takes. Give him money.
Yeah, man. I'm sitting there waiting. I'm sitting there watching you trade after that one. But I'm saying it should. Yo, we can still take out this bottom right here. 359. 359. Come on, get my sticks. Yo, come on.